Okay, I have my uh, Excel spreadsheet running over here. As you can see, these are all Excel, right? And I have a list uh, of apples and banana and some numbers here. I only want to generate the average for apple, right? Only the average for apple. So of course I can select all these and then create an average, right? Because they are mathematical function for this over here. But that's not what I want to do. Right? The average did work because one, two, and three you average out is actually two. Right? But the formula here is different. So if you look at the formula here, right, I am using average if. So what am I checking? I am checking A1 to A10 if it is apple or not. If it is apple, it will do the average from B1 to B10, which is over here. See that? Right. So this is 2 over here because 1, 2, and 3, you actually average down to 2. All right. All right. So that seems to work. But if I put this as apple and hit enter, now it will average these three, which is 1, 2, and 3, and this. Right. So 12, right, because 6, 12, right, then divided by 4, you get 3. Okay. It will not count the others because the formula over here only indicate it is for apple only. Right. So of course, right, I type it in myself, but if you're not used to it, you can use the function argument. So you can see the criteria is not just equal to apple. It can be any criteria, but that Excel spreadsheet can actually recognize.